Hello and welcome to your next car. My name's Nakib. I'm going to do a short video of this amazing BMW 116 diesel M Sport. Okay, as you can see, it's in the beautiful Estoril blue. Got all the standard M Sport bumpers. Then we've added our really nice finishing touches like the YNC front splitter, YNC grille. This one does have the BMW LED headlights. They look fantastic. Freshly refurbished 18-inch gloss black M Sport alloys. Side decals. Lovely YNC rear spoiler. Just the right size. Looks perfect on the vehicle. Coming to the passenger side of the vehicle, very nice, very tidy. Just give you a close-up of the paintwork. It's very, very nice. Take you into the passenger side. It's got the stitch Alcantara interior, very nice and tidy, no marks. Back seats look like they've not been sat in. Smells very clean and fresh in here. Black door cards, silver trimmings on the dashboard, all the usual M Sport trimmings. Coming to the front, very few stone chips, might be the odd one. Front bumper's very, very tidy. Coming onto the inside, driver's seats very, very nice, no wear. Very comfortable seats. These are good for the winter, don't get too cold. Auto lights there. This one has covered just over 38,000 miles. Just going to start the vehicle now. Next oil service is due in 8,000 miles. Rear brakes 38,000. Front brakes 49,000. Standard M Sport gear stick, or your sat-nav iDrive there. Aux lead USB, very, very nice and tidy. Standard features sat-nav. There we are, sat-nav. DAB radio, Bluetooth media. Steering wheel's very nice and tidy, no scratches or anything on there. Coming back out towards the outside of the car, again just showing you how clean and tidy the vehicle is. Okay, this one does tick all the boxes. You know, it's £20 road tax, low mileage, Estoril blue. Hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested in this one, be quick. I don't think it'll be around for long. Thank you for watching and hope this video was helpful. Just give you a quick glimpse of some of the vehicles we have in the showroom. Currently have 153. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon at your next car.